The 2024 VW Atlas key fob uses a CR2032 coin cell battery. To replace it, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool. Carefully insert the tool into the seam of the fob to separate the two halves. VW fobs often have tamper-evident screws or snap fits, so be gentle to avoid damage. Pry around the entire seam until the fob pops open. Be sure to not damage any of the internal components. This process should take about 2 to 3 minutes. Once the key fob is open, locate the CR2032 battery inside. Note its orientation with the positive side facing up. Use a small screwdriver to gently pry the old battery out, being careful not to damage the contacts. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side up, matching the original orientation. Ensure it sits securely in place. Align the two halves of the key fob and press them firmly together until they snap shut. Ensure the case is fully sealed to maintain weatherproofing. Test the fob to ensure it functions correctly with your Atlas by trying the lock and unlock buttons. If it doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation and that the fob is completely closed. Also, check the battery with a multimeter to ensure it's not faulty.